flexing all day long on my pajama. Eating peanut butter jelly with my mama. Always fighting with my.
Hey everybody, it's Layla. So today, I'm going to Slime Mania, and I'm whispering because everyone's asleep. So, I just woke up, and I'm so tired. So I'm gonna show you the shirt that I'm gonna wear because my mom made me one. So my mom made me this shirt. So yeah, I'll see y'all probably either in the car or in the line at Slime Mania. I don't know. Bye. Alright guys, so we're in Atlanta and it's looking really cool over here. I like that building right there at the gold top. You see, Daddy?
Yeah.
That's cool. Ooh. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, hey guys, so we're in line and it is so hot over here, but my dad surprised me with VIP and I thought I was getting general admission, so we get to get in at 10 a.m. So I'll see y'all later when we probably get in. Bye. Alright, hey guys, so we're upstairs where is the trading area and the lounge area. So I bought slimes and they're in here. And then I have some slimes here. And then I got 3 autographs. Karina, glitter slimes, or Nicolette, and then parakeet slimes. And then I got this one from Peachy Babies. So I'll probably see y'all maybe if I'm either playing with the slime or in slime class. I have really cold hands, so that's probably got some slimes and I just met Karina Garcia, so I'm gonna show you all my slimes and probably poke them a few times. And sorry for my hands being red. The red dye in the slime making class got all over my fingers. So the first slime is from Fluffy Slimes, and it is a pink crushed bubblegum slime. And it smells like bubblegum. It has those little crushed foam pieces. Alright, so now let's move on to the next slime. Alright, the next slime is also from Fluffy Slimes, and the last one's also from Fluffy Slimes. So this is Tongue Candy Crispy. This one was free because I bought 2. A lot of slime. Alright, here's how it looks. So this is a really pretty slime. Oh, and both of the two slimes were $8. So the next slime is frozen lemonade, also from Fluffy Slimes, and it's yellow and pink, or yellow and red. And I'm not going to play with it a lot because it's a really pretty color. So it's kind of like a slushy slime. So alright, so that's all I'm going to show you because I don't want to mix it. So that was the last of the Fluffy Slimes. So next I have from Bunny Baby Slimes is this slime. It has the warning label on the bottom. And this one is called Milkshake. And it comes with sprinkles. And it comes with like cream to go on. Yeah, topping cream.
Next I got,
So it's a glossy slime.
oh,
Really shiny.
oh yeah.
So here it is.
Next, yeah, I did. Next I got,
It's a really great slime. I think it changes colors because it's like white and then pink at one moment.
but it's a butter slime.
And then you can put on. And then you can add these on the top, which I'll be doing in my review video, and then add this on the top, which I'll actually be doing, well, I'll also be doing on my review channel. I mean, not channel, but video. So here it is. I think it's like a butter slime,
And I got so many slimes.
and that's how it looks and feels. It feels really good. It inflates a lot. So next I have from Peachy Babies, which she wasn't there, but I thought it was kind of weird. So here it is from Peachy Babies, and it's called Fairy Bread. It's not actually the fairy bread. I think it's berry bread. I think it had the wrong label. So this slime is a cloud cream. If I'm acting like I've never played with slime before, it's because I have red on my hands, so I'm trying to be careful and not use the wrong fingers. And it smells really good. It smells like berries. So then, that's all I got from Peachy Babies.
Skip to the review.
So then I have this from Be Kind Slime by Maddie, and it's called Razzle Dazzle. And it has little candies candies at the bottom, and it's a clear slime. It has looks from the top, and it has like a pearl right there, and it has a big one right here too. So here it is.
It's so hard to close because they're so packed. I'm not playing.
Alright, so that's how that one looks. So then my last slime I have is, it was a traded slime. So I got this one from the Dazzling Slimery.
Oh my goodness.
And then it's called Fairy Floss.
And I named it.
And it smells really good. So here it is. Oh. Yeah.
I love swimming.
And it has glitter, and that's how it looks on the bottom. So it feels really great. Make sure to go check out all of these slime shops that I reviewed so far, and make sure to go check out my next video, which is going to be probably like the reviews on all these slimes. And make sure to go check out all my other videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I post. So thank you for watching. Bye.